Are you smiling because you got your hand in the yogurt?
Yeah.
How about your spoon instead? Do you want help with your spoon? Yeah, that's your spoon. Oh, good job. Good for you. I'm very proud of you. And a little bit on your hand? Yeah. A little bit on your spoon and a little bit on your hand? Get some more on your spoon. Eat it up. Oh, that's a good idea. Save it off of your hand. Would you like some help?
Yeah.
Yeah? Could I help you get more on your spoon? Let's see here. Oh, it's slim pickings in the bowl, isn't it? There you go.
Yeah.
Good job. More? Oh, you're gonna do it? Okay, let me help.
Yeah.
There. Okay, keep your hand out of it. Just eat it with the spoon. Good job. Good job.